Hello everyone, welcome to Unit 3.3. Today we'll discuss establishing an ethical teaching practice by reflecting on the four components of the model of moral maturity and the three developmental ethical levels of moral thinking. Based on the teacher's handbook draft, I will reflect on the case study from scenario 12. During this conflict illustrated in the scenario, the teacher should strive to resolve the dilemma using post-conventional moral thinking. The teacher should resolve these dilemmas based on consensus-producing procedures and ensure that the basic rights, values, and legal contracts of a society are upheld. Our first component of the moral maturity ethical reasoning process is moral sensitivity. I would apply moral sensitivity by ensuring my own protection from the parent, ensuring the student does not get involved, and avoid losing my job due to lack of professionalism. Our second component is moral judgment. Here one needs to assess the issues of the case in a manner that is fair and moral. The issues of this case include: the father has caused harm to the teacher retaliated and has now caused harm to the father, both parent and teacher have inflicted the use of violence on school grounds, and both parties have made this more of a personal matter instead of dealing with the original concern about the child. Our third component is moral motivation, which reflects how we personally and professionally address the dilemma. For example, we could report the parent to the principal. We could organize a meeting to resolve the matter further, or we could resolve the problem in a way that upholds the rules and regulations of our society. Lastly, the fourth component is the moral character, which is how I would actually act based on my own moral convictions. Firstly, I would try to de-escalate the situation by speaking to the parent and hopefully developing some type of mutual understanding and come to a conclusion about the situation. Secondly, I would ensure that this issue is made confidential to avoid any uncertain implications that could happen to the child. Here we have a list of references that I've used during this project. Thank you for listening. I hope you have enjoyed my presentation.